focused. It is first thing in the morning here because I could not wait to open this, which means I had to film it right away. So I'm still wearing sweatpants and I'm only a human from the waist up right now. I came home last night after work and I had the Witch's Roots box in my mail, and that means it's basically Christmas. They always smell so good. I know everybody who does unboxing videos online says that, but like, they're not lying. You open it up and as always, you got all of your paperwork. First thing here is the table of content. Ooh, it's called The Sacred Offering. I will keep that close because we will need it. Oh. I don't know if it's just the change of the seasons or because I got a new job and my new job involves talking a lot more, but I've been fighting off like a little bit of a hoarse throat, so I will be drinking lots of coffee in this, I'm sorry. But it's warm and cozy and delicious, so you're gonna have to deal with it. Alright. Another piece of paperwork we got on the top here. This is not gonna focus. I'll do close-ups. But is a tarot card or an oracle card that says opportunity knocks, go for it. With two beautiful ladies holding what looks like bubbles with a world inside of it with another bubble. It's a lot of bubbleception happening. Very cute. I'm ready for some opportunity in my life, so. And a grimoire cutout page art piece on frankincense. I was just researching frankincense for skincare products. I make my own like infused oils for skincare, and frankincense is not only in the Bible for an offering, but it's also really good for your body. Surprise. Burn or carry frankincense to emanate powerful vibrations, whether to concentrate and sanctify a space, or, consecrate, not concentrate, and sanctify a space, to alleviate mundane energies, elevate mundane energies into potent forms of conductive to psychic and divinatory work. Divinatory work? We're gonna stop reading because it's not going well, but I will also post a close-up of this guy. And I will say too, like, shout out to this subscription company because they always use such sustainable, recyclable, reusable packaging, and in this world it's really important, so I appreciate that. We got a lot of satin bags today, guys. First up is this little purple satin bag, which of course is gonna have a little rock in it. Whoa! It's like a galaxy! Oh man, I hope I can get a close-up of all of the sparkles in this. Oh, it's good. It's gorgeous. What is it? Aw, it's blue goldstone. Held within blue goldstone, the sparkle of 1,000 stars are captured. That's poetic as shit. But yeah, it is sparkly and gorgeous and like magic. It looks like magic. Ooh, charcoal discs. So, these are extremely useful. You use them to burn loose incense, sage. I've gathered my own sage this one time. It's not like I do it every time, but it didn't dry properly, so it kind of like fell all apart, which means I can't put it in a bundle, and because it was like wild young sage, it's definitely not big enough to put in a bundle, so I burn it on charcoal discs or hold it in my hand and burn my fingers, but can never have too many of these. course, we've got our candle, handmade or hand-rolled beeswax candle. Let's see what color. Ooh. There's a little sigil or a rune carved on there. It's like a sky blue. And it always smells like delicious beeswax. It says Gebo offering spell candle. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what Gebo is. Gebo? Gebo? Gazebo? Just kidding, that's not what that says. Whoa! This is my first resin! This is really exciting! I've never had resin. I mean, I've had weed resin, but not weed resin. Frankincense ritual resin. This is really exciting. I have no idea how to use resin. Maybe it'll tell me. Frankincense, no. Resin / incense. Where are you? Oh, that makes sense. That's in line with the Bible story. Frankincense is often used as offering or as an offering of gratitude to patron gods and goddesses in a time of reverence. So, frankincense for baby Jesus. Ooh. Anyway, really excited about the frankincense resin. I'm gonna have to research, or if anybody out there knows how to use resins, please feel free to let me know. I've never had them. It's really exciting. Whoa. This is either like sand, black sand, or witch's salt, like black witch salt, which will be... I don't see it on here. I don't see it on here. Okay. Stay tuned for that. Oh, this guy sounds like chimey or metal. It's heavy. The suspense. I'm just gonna take one of these items out of the bag at a time. Ooh. Oh. It's like a little wooden thing that's got cute little flowers on it. Really good at describing things. It's cute. Oh, it's an offering dish? Wait, let me see. Yes. And then I'm going to venture a guess here and say maybe if I were to burn things in here, I would put some black sand in here to hold something and then like that. I'm not 1000% sure, to be honest. Oh, there are so many things I was doing wrong. This goes first, then this. Black sand, we got the sand part right, that goes there. This goes upside down. And you put charcoal in there. Oh, we have included black sand to assist in absorbing the heat from the charcoal disc. Please know that this burner can become very hot. Please use caution and do not leave unattended. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that's not at all how I thought this worked. But that's exciting. Interesting that they provide like a small wooden little coaster like this, but they also ask that you put it on top of an additional coaster just to be extra heat safe. Anybody who dabbles in the occult or witch things, I'm sure, hears non-stop about fire safety. Unattended candles, not so good. Unattended burning hot rocks, also not so good. My mom can attest to that. When I was a kid, I used to like to put all my stuffies in this one corner of our little loft area, and the roof slanted, and me being a young child did not understand the whole heat rising from candle things, and I actually like singed the roof. Nothing caught on fire, but you know when you hold a candle like on the glass, for example, it gets all sooty, so our roof had like a good little black soot mark. Sorry, Mom. Love you. Anyway, guys, that is the Witch's Roots unboxing for November. I'm really excited. I enjoy this box in particular because it always comes with like useful items. I learned a bunch already about offering dishes and resin burning that I haven't gotten into yet, so that's awesome. It's also cool because they always give you everything you need to try something new if they're giving you something new, if that makes sense. So every single time they give you like a new offering style, or if you've never done anything with candle magic, they'll give you like a color correspondence to the candles and like walk you through how to do it. So it's really kind of all-inclusive. For example, they give you a resin burner, charcoal, and resin so that they're not just telling you hypothetically how to do something and then you have to go and buy the missing pieces. They actually set you up for success right away, which is very appreciated, especially because subscription boxes are often sought after by a lot of people who are new into whatever the subscription box is about, because it's kind of like a buy the box and get a kit style. I'm psyched for it. I have some more learning to do. I don't know what Gebo is, so I don't know who this offering candle or what this offering candle is for. I might include that in the description below. I might not. That's all, guys. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you like. Hit me up in the comments below with your resin burning tips, or if you've gotten this box, and let me know what you think of the items in it. And I will see you again shortly. I hope you have a fantastic day, week, month, year. Keep on keeping on. Thanks. This very act of gratitude brings us closer to the power that is held within all things. We truly realize how intimate our intentions become and how our manifestations connect with this purpose. As we provide offerings to the energies that assist us, we continue to move through a circle of completion, giving thanks for those things that we have obtained and for the wisdom that has been gained along the way.